Yeah, hello, welcome back to this channel. On this platform, every day I can earn 5.5 USDT each and every day. You understand? I think so far this is the best investment platform I've ever seen. You understand? Okay, so before I start, I'd like to share with you how to check online investment, you understand, platforms, how to check how far the platform will last, or how fresh it is in the system. So you can see over here, you can see this three dots over here. So you just tap on this three dots and you tap on connection and secure, then you tap on certificate information. So you can see over here that this site was launched on 29th, that was yesterday, and it will expire 28, so which means roughly this site can last for maybe a month or two, you understand? Yeah, but that one I cannot show you that one. So guys, now that we know the site is a fresh start, site, and we can earn on this particular site, let me walk you through the registration process, how to register on this platform and start earning 5.5 USDT every day. You understand? Yeah, those of you who have been following me since the 80s know that with regards to this particular site, we've made enough money online. Okay, we've earned some USDT in our wallet. So guys, I'll just click up on the link in my description box. It will bring you here. All you have to do is just enter your email and your password. Okay, so guys, after entering your email and your password, we log in. So let me just log into the site. So guys, after logging into the site, we can see over here we have so many VIPs. VIP 1 is for free. When you sign up, you can just sign up for free and take VIP 1. VIP 2, you invest 15 USDT and you're going to earn 5.5 every day. You understand? So maximum 3 days you are done with your cash out. The rest is going to be profit. Okay, so guys, I've already recharged for VIP 1, you can see over here. So how do you recharge on this particular site? For my newcomers, my old comers, you are all familiar with this method. All you have to do is just tap on recharge over here. You copy this address or this link. So when you copy this address, you go to your Binance or crypto wallet, then you withdraw to that particular link. Okay, let me go back. You copy this link, you go to your Binance, you withdraw to this link. Okay, 15 USDT to activate VIP 2, that's level 2, and level 3 is 75. You get 25 USDT each and every day. Okay, so guys, this is the site. Okay, so after recharging the site, all you have to do is just come here on the tax. So I'm going to perform the tax for you to see. You can see over here, all I have to do is just tap on this to complete. You can see completed successfully. Okay, I have successfully completed the tax. So after completing this tax successfully, all you have to do is just tap on me over here, then you just tap on the withdrawal button over here. So guys, you input the amount of money you want to withdraw, 5.5, and you input your Tron wallet. So you go to your Binance again. Let's go to Binance, then you copy your Tron wallet, you understand? So you tap on Binance, deposit USDT Tron, then you copy this address. So we just copy it. Okay, so after copying the address, you come over here, then we deposit the address over here, then we enter our password. Guys, after entering our password, you can see we are done. So all you have to do is just wait for some time for the money to hit our account. So basically this is a new website, as I said earlier on. Kindly know investments are prone to risks and you are advised to invest wisely. All this information I share with you are for educational and entertainment purposes. If you want, you can do your own background research before you invest. Okay, yeah, so we'll wait for the alert in our Binance account. Guys, after waiting for some time, you can see over here I have received my 5.5 USDT into my Binance account. This is a new website, as I said earlier on, and it's very promising, you understand, because within 3 days you are going to get the amount of money invested. So guys, you can take advantage of this platform and start earning. But kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more opportunities like this. You understand, I share with you opportunities online. and how to scale up your online presence. Until then, I hope to see you in our next video. Bye.